Hi guys, Sensei Ninja, I'm back again. We're gonna go over a defense against a kick. Go ahead, Lock. Go ahead and get the burp cough out.
I already got it out.
Right. Hi guys, Sensei Ninja here. We are gonna go over a defense against a kick. This is a tricky one for me because kicking is a skill. Unless a person is trained to kick, oftentimes it's not thrown as a reflex. You know, a type of pushing kick may work. Something like this you may see every once in a while, but oftentimes people don't have the flexibility or the balance which it requires in order to do kicking to really be throwing a whole bunch of kicks. But in case you run into a person that has some formal training, they could be in Tae Kwon, could be in Muay Thai, they could be in karate, because everybody is karate gym in every YMCA in the country. So I'm sure most people have messed around with karate or Tae Kwon sometime in their life. So, yeah, you might run into one of them, and if they're trying to kick you, they're weird. But if you're just playing around with them, I guess I'm going over some couple kicking things. I guess this is for, hey, shit, fuck it. The kick defense. How to defend against a kick. I'll go over two different kicks first. I'll go over first, because it's like everything, there's things go in a circle, so in a straight line. Everything martial arts, so everything goes circle, straight line. So we're gonna do a straight kick, or a straight kick, right? Or a round kick. You know what? Got it. Hi guys, Sensei Ninja here. I'm gonna do defense against a roundhouse kick. Or, yeah, roundhouse, because everybody say roundhouse. Everybody likes to say roundhouse. Hey, that's a roundhouse. And no, a roundhouse is not a spinning kick. It's not a roundhouse. When I was a little kid, anytime somebody did a spinning kick, everybody would call that a roundhouse. It's not a damn roundhouse, so stop saying it if y'all still saying it in 2015, because it's not a roundhouse. A roundhouse is a round kick is that. That's a round kick. A kick that comes around. Because we got kicks that go straight, and we got kicks that go around. Right? Straight, around. That simple. Defense against a round kick. All right? That's what we're doing. Defending against a round kick. I'm gonna not do that anymore. All right. We're gonna keep it about body level, maybe leg kick level. So we'll maybe defend against the attack at the leg. So, first and foremost, I'm not gonna do him because we don't have shin guards on. Well, we might have some here, and we're not gonna put them on. We're gonna go unshin guardless. All right. First and foremost, when you're throwing a leg kick, because it's not a leg kick tutorial, this is defense against the leg kick. So we're gonna defend the kick. So oftentimes what we're gonna need to do is block. If we can avoid rather than block rather than main, strike, whatever. The point is we're avoiding, because I can't remember right now. So we're gonna avoid the kick first, and if the kick lands with kicks, we're just gonna try to avoid it. So if he throws a kick, throw a round kick, I can just jump back and just avoid the kick all in general. All right, if that's possible. May not be possible. He may throw a couple punches and then finish with a kick and then kick me in the leg and it just hurts. So that might happen too. So, and then if that's the case, and I can't move away from the kick, I'm gonna block the kick. Now, there's a couple ways I use to block this kick. We're gonna do a Muay Thai check. And we're gonna have, it's a drill that we can work. I call over the fence pivots. Where you put your leg up and you step like you're going over a fence. There's a fence right here, like right behind me. See this fence is like a fence. And I step as if I'm going over the fence. I step as if I'm going over a fence. Same kind of concept. When I'm here, the kick comes to the outside. Boom. Boom. Because it's a round kick, it's gonna come around. Since it's coming around, it's boom. All right, I can lazy man check it. If it's really low, I can lazy man check it. Like this. It's lazy man. Or I'll do that. I'll kind of lean into the kick. It's lazy man check. All right, so he's gonna throw the kick. He's not gonna throw hard. He's gonna place his foot there if he got the balance. So he's gonna throw the kick. Simple block. All right. Not super complicated. If I want to catch the kick, if he can throw it on my leg, and I can throw lazy man check or throw it. That's a lazy man check. I can also catch it and hit him. Right? Or if my balance is decent, kind of go quarter real quick right here. if my balance is decent, he throws a kick, I can step back with the kick and just let it go by. I can follow up, throw it again. I can let it go by and I can follow up with another kick, right? When we get into kicking is a skill. Not even all MMA fighters throw a lot of kicks. So kicking is a skill. There's different strategies, different ways to defend against the round kick in general. So practice a couple of those. Just remember, boom or boom. The knee should be facing towards it. If he throws a round kick towards the inside, let's say he threw it towards the inside of my body, this is still the same scenario. We're gonna throw it to the outside. I don't know. I don't like that one too much, but I'll look at it and see what happens. Cut.